Hello children, hi. Welcome back to Sri Damodar Raghuji English Medium School. So children, I am your English teacher. So in the last class we have learned third unit, that is just being kind. Okay? Yes. So today we are going to write question and answer sign exercise part of this chapter. Okay? So children, you all open your classwork notebook, that is 4-line notebooks, as well as open your English reader. Okay? Yes. So children, first you write down heading unit 3rd, just being kind. Okay? Yes. Here first heading, new words with meanings. Okay? Yes. First one you write down selfish. Here meaning you write down the one who cares about himself too much, that person is a selfish. Okay? Yes. Once again I'll tell you children, see here selfish meaning the one who cares about himself too much, that person is a selfish. Okay? Yes. Next, second one, cry baby. Yes children, cry baby. So here you write down the answer meaning, cry baby meaning a child who cries for everything. Yes, once again I will repeat it, a child who cries for everything. Yes, this is the meaning for cry baby. Okay? Yes. Next, third one is to be kind. See children, to be kind meaning you write down a group of people or things having similar characteristics. Okay? Yes, see here once again I'll tell you, a group of people or things having similar characteristics. Yes, this is the meaning for to be kind. Next, fourth one. Yes, see here fourth one, neat and tidy. Yes, neat and tidy meaning you write down everything in its place. Yes, this is the meaning for neat and tidy. Okay? Yes. Next, fifth one, swimming pool. Yes, swimming pool meaning you write down a big pound of water where one can swim. Okay? Yes, a big pound of water where one can swim. Yes, this is the meaning for swimming pool. Next, last one children, friend. See children, last one you write down friend meaning, write here the meaning, someone you like. Okay? Yes, friend meaning someone you like. Okay? Yes, meanings you have to write in your 4-line notebook. Okay? Yes. Next, second bit is answer the following questions by picking the correct answers from the box. Yes children, see here you open your textbook page number 28, there you can see the question and answers. Okay? Yes, see here children, one box they have given, from the box you have to choose one answer and write the answer for the given questions. Okay? Yes, see here first example I will read here, that also you have to copy in your classwork notebook. See here first question, what are the words we should use often? Yes children, what are the words we should use often? See here answer you write down, we should use thank you, sorry and please often. Okay? Yes, see here once again I'll tell you, we should use thank you, sorry and please often. Okay? Yes, this is the answer for a given example. Okay? Yes. Second question you write down children, what does calling names mean? What does calling names mean? See here answer you write down for this question. See here answer, in the given box they have given the points, from that you have to choose one answer and write. Calling names means using bad words like fool and donkey to others. Yes, see here children, calling names means using bad words like fool and donkey to others. Okay, this is the answer for your second question. Okay, yes, see here children, here calling names means using bad words children. You should not use the bad words like fool, donkey, monkey, like this. You should not use children. That is the bad manner. Okay, yes. Next, third question. Say two things that are not good manners. Okay, yes, you have to tell two things which are not good manners. Okay, yes. See here, answer for this question you write down. Shouting and teasing are not good manners. Yes, children, shouting and teasing are very bad manners. Yes, that is not a good manners. You should not shout in class or at home. You should not shout and you should not tease for others. Okay, yes. So this is the answer for your third question. Okay, yes, shouting and teasing are not good manners. Next, fourth one. Say two things that are good manners. Yes, children, say two things that are good manners. Okay, yes. See here, children, answer for these questions. You have written first bad manners. Okay, now you write down good manners. Yes, see here. Good manners, answer you write down. Sharing our toys and waiting for our turn are both good manners. Okay, yes children, see here. Sharing our toys and waiting for our turn are both good manners. Yes, see here children, always you have to share your toys. Toys means things children, like doll, car, bus. Toys will be there, no? Yes, that you have to share with your friends. And while playing, always you have to wait for your turn. Okay, you should not fight with your friends or with others. Okay, yes, that is a bad manner. So children, sharing our toys and waiting for our turn are the good manners. Okay, yes. So here you write down the answer. Next, fifth question now. What should we do when others speak? Okay, yes. See here, what should we do children when others speak? Yes, answer you write down. See here, we should listen when others speak. Yes children, always we have to listen first when others speak. No, that time we have to listen first. After that we have to give the reply. Okay, yes, unnecessarily we should not speak. Yes, we should listen when other speaks. Okay, yes, you write down the answer. We should listen when others speak. Yes, next. Now last question. See here, in the end, what does good manners really mean? Yes children, in the end, what does good manners means? Can you tell me? Yes, I will tell you. See here. Next, in the answer you write down, in the end, good manners really means being kind and polite to others. Okay, yes children. See here, good manners means really means being kind and polite to others. Always we have to show mercy for others and we have to be polite to others. Okay, yes, that is a good manners. Okay, you write down the answer. In the end, good manners really means being kind and polite to others. Okay, yes. The 6 question answers you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay, yes children. Next, see here, next we go to the fourth bit. Okay, yes, we go to the fourth bit now. answer these questions. Yes. Next, again you write down the question answers. Yes. You open your reader. That's what I told you before only. Open your reader. Page number 30. There you can see the again 5 question answers. Okay. Yes. See your children. In which class did Ammu study? Yes. First question. In which class did Ammu study? Okay. Yes. Answer you write down. Ammu studied class 1. Okay. Yes. Answer is Ammu studied class 1. Yes. This is the answer. Next. Second question. Priya found 2 subjects hard. What were they? Yes, children. Priya found 2 subjects, no? Yes. What were they? Can you tell me? Yes, children. Correct. Priya found maths and Kannada subject. Okay. Yes. Answer you write down. Priya found maths and Kannada. Okay. Yes. Next. Go to the third question. Why was the teacher not happy with Ammu? Yes. Teacher is not happy, no, with Ammu? Yes. Here Ammu, what she has done? Yes, children. See here. Answer you write down. Teacher was not happy with Ammu because Ammu pushed a boy. Yes, no? Yes. In angry, Ammu pushed a boy. That's what teacher is not happy. Yes, no? Yes. See here. Once again I tell you the answer. Teacher was not happy with Ammu because Ammu pushed a boy. Yes, this is the answer for your third question. Okay, yes. Next, go to the fourth question. How did Priya help Ammu? Yes. How did Priya help Ammu? Yes, here. Priya helped Ammu in cleaning the board. Yes, see here children. When madam has given the punishment to Ammu, that time Ammu is crying now. Yes. Ammu is crying. So here Priya, what she has done? She helped to Ammu in cleaning the board. Okay. Yes. See here answer you read on. Priya helped Ammu in cleaning the board. Okay. Yes. Next, fifth question. What did Priya teach Ammu? Yes, children. What did Priya teach Ammu? Yes. Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. Yes. Yes, no, children? Yes. Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. Yes, this is the answer for your fifth question. Okay? Yes. See here, children. This 5 question answers you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay? Next heading you write down. Fill in the blanks with words from the box and complete the following passage. Okay? Yes, this is the heading you write down. See here. First one, Minnie was late. See here children, from the box you have to choose the answer. Okay? Yes, you have to complete the sentence from the passage. See here, in the first dash they have given late. Okay? Minnie was late. Second one, what you have to write in the second dash? See here, sorry ma'am. Yes children, you write down sorry ma'am. She excuse. Yes, in the third dash you must write excuse. Okay? Yes, she excuse. Here next, I missed my bus. Yes, in the fourth dash you write down missed my bus. Okay? Yes, I missed my bus today. Next, I won't repeat it. Yes, see children, in the fifth dash you must write repeat it. Yes, see here, complete sentence I'll read now. I won't repeat it. Okay? Yes. Next, I will apologized you. Yes, in the sixth dash in front of sixth dash you must write apologized. Okay? Yes, I will apologized you. Minnie said. Next, Mrs. Kalyani, be punctual. Yes, next time. See here children, In the seventh dash you must write punctual. Okay, yes, punctual. Okay, see here children, once again I'll read the full passage. Okay, yes, see here, Minnie was late. Sorry ma'am, she excused. I missed my bus today. I won't repeat it. I will apologize to you, Minnie said. Mrs. Kalyani, be punctual next time. Okay, yes, this you write in your classwork notebook. Okay, yes. Next heading is give the opposites of. Yes, last heading you write down children, give the opposites of. Okay, yes, see here, opposite you have to write for the given words. Okay, first one, easy. See here, easy opposite is difficult. Already they have given children difficult or hard. One example they have given. See here, easy opposite difficult or hard. Okay, yes. Next, kind. Kind opposite cruel or bad. Okay, yes, cruel or bad. Third one, cry. Cry opposite laugh. Okay, yes, laugh. Next, neat. Neat opposite untidy or disorderly. Okay, yes, opposite children, untidy or disorderly. Okay, yes. Next one, friend. Friend opposite enemy. Okay, yes, enemy. Last one, new. New opposite old. Okay, yes. So children, next heading is, see here, write down the next heading, page number 31. Okay, yes, see here, next heading, here are some statements from the story. There are also some new statements. Write who says the words. Okay, yes, see here, in the box they have given children options, Ammu, Priya, teacher, mother. Okay, yes. First, see here children, first they have given the example. See here, you can see your textbook, then only will come to understand children. Okay, yes, see here, page number 31. Okay, page number 31, you see there, first one example, I am new in the class. Yes, I am new in the class. Who said this? Yes, Priya said no. Yes, see children, they have given here Priya. Okay, yes, Priya is a new girl. Okay, yes, Priya is a new girl in the first standard class. Yes, no? Yes. Next, second one, Maths and Kannada are so hard. Yes, who said this? Yes children, see here, Priya said. Okay, yes, Priya said this because Priya got two subjects hard. No? Yes, Priya got two subject hard, that is Maths and Kannada subject. Yes, no? Yes, Maths and Kannada are so hard to Priya. Yes, write down the answer, Priya. Next, help her to learn. Who said this? Yes children, mother said this. Who said? Mother said. Mother said to Ammu, no? Help to Priya? Yes, here this word, see here, mother. Who said that? Mother said. Yes, Priya, yes, Priya got two subjects hard. That's what mother tell to Ammu. Yes, help her to learn. Yes, answer you write down, mother. Okay, yes. Next, fourth one, she is a crybaby. Who said this? Yes, Ammu will say no. Yes, Ammu. Write down the answer, Ammu. Next, fifth one, you must stay back and clean the board. Yes, who said this? Teacher said this. Yes, no? Yes, because Ammu pushed a boy. No? Yes, that's what the teacher has given the punishment to Ammu. Yes, no? Yes, here this sentence, who said? You must stay back and clean the board. Who said? Yes. Teacher said no? Yes. You write down the answer. Teacher. Okay? Yes. Next. Sixth one. Don't cry. I will help you. Yes. When Ammu is crying in the class. Yes. Who will say this? Yes. Priya will say no? Yes. Priya will say and she will help to Ammu. Yes. Don't cry. I will help you. This sentence Priya said. Yes, you write down the answer. Priya. Okay? Yes. Next. Seventh one. Thank you for being kind to me. Yes. Lastly, this sentence Ammu said. Yes, no? Yes, because Priya helped Ammu. That's what here Ammu will say that thank you for being kind to me. Yes, no? Yes, write down the answer. Ammu. Okay? Yes. Next, children. Next heading you write down. Seventh heading. Yes. Look at the box. Yes. Look at the boxes below and circle the odd one out. See here, children. Once again I will read. Look at the boxes below and circle the odd one out. Okay? Yes. First one. Yes. Page number, same children, 31 page number. Okay? Yes. See here in the box they have given, see some words they have given. Yes. From these words you have to take one odd word. Okay? Yes. First one, shout, yell, scream, whisper. Okay? Yes. Say children, shout, yell, scream. Yes. These three are the similar word. Okay? Yes. Here whisper is a different one. Okay? This is a odd word. So you circle the word whisper. Okay? Yes. Next. Always, often, never, many times. Okay? See here. Always, often, many times. These three are the same. Okay? These three are the same word. Okay? Yes. Never. Never is a different one here. This is a odd one. Okay? You circle the word never. Okay? This is the odd one. Next. Laugh loudly, smile, speak loud, cry out. See here, children. Once again I'll tell you. Laugh loudly, smile, speak aloud, cry out. Okay? Yes. See here. Laugh loudly, speak aloud, cry out. Yes. These three are the same, similar. Okay? Yes. Smile is a different one. So here you have to circle the smile. Okay? Yes. Next. Throw, hold, toss, fling. See here, children. Throw, toss, fling. These three are the similar. Hold means this is a different word. Okay? Yes. Hold is a different word. So here you circle the word hold. Okay? Yes. Next. Clean, messy, tidy, neat. See here, children. Neat, tidy and clean here. These three are the same only. Clean is nothing but a neat. Neat. Next. Tidy. These three are the similar, same. Okay? Messy is a different one. So you circle the word messy. Next. Alone, single, together, by yourself. See children. Alone, single, together, by yourself. Yes. Here alone, single, by yourself is a same, similar. These three are the similar. Alone means oneself. Single means only one. Yes, no? Yes. By yourself, oneself. Okay? Yes. So these three are the similar, same. Together means this is a different one. So children, you circle the word together. Okay? Yes. So this also you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay? Yes. Next one. So children, open the page number 32. Okay? Yes. Next, one more heading you write down, children. Next heading is complete these sentences about Ammu and Priya. Yes, Ammu and Priya. Okay, yes, this you have to complete the sentences, okay, about Ammu and Priya. First, see your children, Ammu was, yes, Ammu was 6 years old. Yes, children, you have to write in the dash, you have to write 6 years old. Okay, yes. Next, teacher said you must clean board and make class tidy. Yes, no? Yes, because teacher has given the punishment to Ammu. That's what teacher said, that you must clean the board and make the class tidy. Okay, yes. Next, Priya was poor in maths and Kannada subject. Okay, yes, see your children, Priya was poor in maths and Kannada subjects. Okay, yes. Next, mother wanted Ammu to help Priya to learn. Yes, children, mother wanted Ammu to help Priya to learn. Okay, yes. Ammu and Priya became best friend. Okay, yes, Ammu and Priya became best friends. Okay, yes, this you have completed now. Yes, children, this also you must write in your classwork notebook. Okay, yes. So see your children, this all bit you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay,